Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. Today the topic is liquid vehicle and we study the preparation of glycerin. Let's start the topic. Glycerin. Synonym of the glycerin is glycerol. Its molecular weight is 9 to 92.1, specific gravity is 1.225 to 1.226, boiling points and it's 290 degrees Celsius. Uh, what is the glycerin? It is a trihydric alcohol containing not less than 98% of ethyl alcohol. It is the common constituent of the all animal and vegetable oils and fat like coconut oil, olive oil, tallow, cod liver oil, etc. In a small quantity is formed during the alcoholic fermentation of sugar and it present in the minute amounts in the normal blood. Its preparation. It can be prepared from molasses by the fermentation process. It can be prepared by the synthetically, and it can be prepared by spent soap lye. The lye contains some glycerin, much water, free alkali, sodium chloride, fatty acid, and protein matters. In the from the molasses by the fermentation we get this glycerin. When yeast ferments the sugar, approx 3% alcohol is formed with the alcohol. In the synthetic process, glycerol obtained from propylene, which is byproduct of cracking petroleum, is now manufactured in large quantity, especially United States of America and Russia. Propylene is chlorinated to form allyl chloride, which is converted into allyl alcohol. Now treat this product with hydrochlorous acid and uh, uh, and the produce is chlorohydrin derivatives. Extract, extract of the hydrochloric acid is done with the soda lime. This process is followed by hydrolysis, which yields which obtain glycerin. After that, the third process from the to get the glycerin is from spent soap slice. Sodium hydroxide solution is known as a lye, which hydrolyzes fats and oils to form glycerol and sodium salt of fatty acids. Soap is salted out while glycerol remains in the solution. This is known as a spent lye. Spent lye contains 3 to 5% is glycerol, a small amount of free alkali, sodium chloride, dissolved soap, proteinous matter, inorganic salts, and chlorinic matter. Glycerol is recovered by the some procedure. Spent life is kept in the iron tanks to allow heavy impurities to settle down. The clear liquid is obtained is through pumped out into treating tank. It is filled with the steam coils. Uh, it is treated in the steam oils. It is treated with the hydrochloric acid, which neutralize the free alkali present in the lye. After that, the neutralize the remaining alkali is now treated with the alum and basic ferric sulfate. It converts the traces of sodium salts and the free acids still present into insoluble iron salts. A gelatinous precipitate of ferric hydroxide are insoluble in iron salts. The liquid and precipitate is filtered under the pressure through filter presses. A clear liquid is now obtained, which is concentrated into vacuum pumps is to about 80% of glycerol. During the evaporation process, common salts separated. These are removed from time to time from the bottom. In this process, the crude glycerol is obtained, is now decolorized with the animal charcoal and purified by its distillation under the reduced pressure with superheated steam. To distillate this the product contain water which is concentrated into vacuum pumps until glycerol is pure, and purity of the glycerol is 99.9% is pure. Properties of the glycerol. Its physical property like odorless, a syrupy liquid, oil liquid, a clear colorless liquid, sweet followed by a sensation of warmth. Moisture contain, it is hygroscopic. That means it is it is absorbed moisture from atmosphere or air. It is soluble with water, alcohol, and methanol. Insoluble in chloroform. Its boiling point is 290 degrees Celsius, but impure decompose and its boiling point. If captive, it is kept in low temperature, it may be solidified, forming a mass of colorless crystals. These crystals do not melt until the temperature reaches 70 degrees Celsius. Its chemical properties are when decomposed by heat or when heated with the dehydrating agent like hydrosulfate, that is potassium bisulfate. That is potassium bisulfate. It erodes the intensely irritating and pungent smelling unsaturated aldehyde. It dissolves fixed alkali acid, a large number of salts, pepsin, tannin, gum, starch, soluble carbohydrate, some active principle of plant, etc. Some test for the purity. It's like acrolein test. 2 drops of glycerin are taken in a test tube to which to in which the little powder potassium hydrogen sulfate is added. Heat the test tube cautiously at first and then more strongly. A irritating vapor with a pungent smell of scrolling is produced with the blackened a filter paper moistened with a solution of ammoniacal silver nitrate. Second test is Dustin test या or borax phenolphthalein test. Take 60 ml of 0.5% solution of borax. Phenolphthalein is added in drop by drop. A distinct red color appears. To this 20% of glycerin is added drop by drop. The red color disappears, but it reappears on heating. Means the borax or sodium borate is aqueous solution is partially hydrolyzed to boric acid and sodium hydroxide. As boric acid is a weak acid, the solution is alkaline. When glycerin is added, glyceroboric acid is formed, which is strong acid, making the solution acidic. On heating, the boiling glyceroboric acid is again hydrolyzed to glycerol and boric acid, turning the solution alkaline. How to preserve the glycerin? It should be kept in dry, well closed vessel. Uses of glycerin: it is used in medicine for its mild antiseptic property. For external application, it is used as an emollient, that is for application on chapped and roughed skin, as it softens and relaxes the skin over which it is applied. It is used in ear discharge as it is absorb the pus easily. It is used as an application on superficial ulcer of tongue and mouth. Glycerin is an excellent solvent for various things like fixed alkali, several salts, vegetables, acid, pepsin, some active principle of plants come. Hence, it is a good vehicle for applying these substances on the skin or over source skin. Used in various skin skin disease like eczema, herpes, etc. Internal application used as a suppository in the constipation. For evacuation of bowels, it may be introduced through a metal syringe per rectum, being mixed with the olive oil and tepid purified water. It is used for the preparing mullein oil. It is used for the preparation of glycerol for external application. Hope you all understand the preparation of glycerin, its usage, its property, and for the test for the impurities. Namaste.